Weight loss plan. Weight loss plan is very important for every person who has excess weight and tries to part with it and uses for this different methods with varying success. Very often, attempts to lose weight result in disappointment and a return to a past life. Most often, this happens because the reality does not correspond to the plans and dreams. And it happens because the person does not have a clear plan for losing weight. In fact, he acts haphazardly, not realizing what he is doing and what he is trying to achieve. In order to not be disappointed in your actions ahead of time and not lose weight at its initial stage, you need to make a clear plan for losing weight. It should be immediately said that it is challenging to find the best way to lose weight and make a plan for a layman, since most people have a poor idea of how weight loss should occur and what needs to be done for this. Therefore, for an optimal plan, consult a nutritionist. A correctly drawn-up plan will continuously urge to action and will not allow curtailing from the planned way, since it will describe a clear algorithm of actions for the whole day. Ignoring or skipping something will be very difficult. Also, the plan can mark all the past stages and the results obtained, which will allow you to observe the dynamics of weight loss and convince yourself that everything is going right. How to make the right weight loss plan? As already mentioned, the dietitian will help you with a weight loss plan. A professional dietitian will convince you that it is unrealistic to lose 10 pounds of weight in a week. Depending on his initial weight and intensity of the program, a person loses not more than 4 pounds per week. Therefore, the weight loss plan compiles individually, proceeding from such values. Also, a nutritionist will help you make the right meal plan. This plan will include a schedule of meals and will be made up based on your rhythm of life and employment. An experienced nutritionist will be able to develop a meal schedule even for very busy people who spend most of their day outside the home and eat in the dining room or office. Also, the weight loss plan necessarily includes a developed menu for at least a week. This will allow you not to think about what exactly to cook every day, which significantly facilitates compliance with the diet. Also, having a ready-made menu for a week, you can buy products in advance and not have to go to the store too often, since shopping often forces people to purchase unhealthy but delicious foods under the influence of a second pulse. An experienced nutritionist can make a menu of foods and dishes that will not only help you lose weight, but also will appeal to the patient. It's tough to do this on your own, as it must be taken into account that the food must provide the patient with all the necessary substances.